Hi, how are you?
Good, you?
Good. Where are you going?
To the store. And you?
Home. Shall we meet?
Okay.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate bread and eggs.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the park.
When did you wake up?
I woke up at 7 o'clock.
Why did you miss the bus?
I woke up late.
How did you learn English?
I learned English online.
What did you buy at the market?
I bought some apples.
Where did you see the movie?
I saw the movie at the cinema.
Which book did you read last week?
I read a storybook.
Whom did you meet at the party?
I met my cousin.
What did you do in the morning?
I cleaned my room.
Where did you find your phone?
I found it on the table.
Who helped you with your homework?
My sister helped me.
When did you finish your work?
I finished it at noon.
Why did you go to the doctor?
I had a headache.
How did you reach school?
I took the bus.
What did you watch on TV?
I watched a cartoon.
Where did you put my keys?
I put them in the drawer.
Which dress did you wear to the party?
I wore a red dress.
Whom did you call in the evening?
I called my uncle.
What did you write in your notebook?
I wrote a short story.
Where did you keep the books?
I kept them on the shelf.
Who gave you the gift?
My mother gave me the gift.
When did you visit your grandparents?
I visited them last Sunday.
Why did you cry?
I lost my favorite toy.
How did you solve the problem?
I asked my teacher.
What did you cook for dinner?
I cooked pasta.
Where did you play football?
I played in the park.
Which song did you listen to?
I listened to a love song.
Whom did you invite to your birthday?
I invited my best friend.
What did you drink in the morning?
I drank orange juice.
Where did you lose your wallet?
I lost it at the mall.
Who told you the good news?
My brother told me.
When did you go to bed?
I went to bed at 10 o'clock.
Why did you close the door?
It was cold outside.
How did you break your phone?
I dropped it.
What did you learn in school?
I learned new words.
Where did you eat lunch?
I ate lunch at home.
Which movie did you like the most?
I liked the action movie.
Whom did you talk to at school?
I talked to my teacher.
What did you wear to school?
I wore my uniform.
Where did you go last summer?
I went to the beach.
Who opened the door?
My father opened the door.
When did you clean your room?
I cleaned it in the evening.
Why did you stop running?
I got tired.
How did you make this cake?
I followed a recipe.
What did you send in the email?
I sent my project.
Where did you buy your shoes?
I bought them online.
Which game did you play?
I played chess.
Whom did you see at the mall?
I saw my teacher.
What did you do after school?
I went home and rested.
Where did you park your car?
I parked it near the store.
Who gave you this book?
My friend gave it to me.
When did you complete your project?
I completed it last night.
Why did you leave early?
I had a headache.
How did you fix your bike?
I used my tools.
What did you order at the restaurant?
I ordered a pizza.
Where did you find your lost keys?
I found them in my bag.
Which subject did you study last night?
I studied math.
Whom did you meet at the airport?
I met my uncle.
What did you do on Sunday?
I visited my grandmother.
Where did you go shopping?
I went to the mall.
Who told you the joke?
My cousin told me.
When did you learn to swim?
I learned last summer.
Why did you stay home?
It was raining.
How did you know the answer?
I remembered it.
What did you bring to the picnic?
I brought sandwiches.
Where did you put your phone?
I put it on the table.
Which game did you win?
I won the chess game.
Whom did you text in the morning?
I texted my friend.
What did you say to her?
I said good morning.
Where did you see the rainbow?
I saw it in the sky.
Who took the last piece of cake?
My brother took it.
When did you start your new job?
I started last Monday.
Why did you forget your homework?
I left it at home.
How did you open the bottle?
I used a bottle opener.
What did you write in the letter?
I wrote about my trip.
Where did you take these photos?
I took them at the beach.
Which color did you choose?
I chose the blue one.
Whom did you sit next to in class?
I sat next to my best friend.
What did you drink at the party?
I drank orange juice.
Where did you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrated it at home.
Who cooked the dinner?
My mom cooked it.
When did you buy this phone?
I bought it last year.
Why did you close the window?
It was too windy.
How did you reach the station?
I took a taxi.
What did you do at the gym?
I exercised for an hour.
Where did you put your umbrella?
I put it near the door.
Which movie did you watch last night?
I watched an action movie.
Whom did you call after the exam?
I called my mother.